So I'm going to show you how to edit videos or how to edit a video on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. Now, this tablet unfortunately does not come with a built-in video editor. So you can go to the Google Play Store and find an app called CapCut. So just go there and search CapCut. You can use the free version to edit most videos. So I've already installed CapCut on my tablet. Once you install it, you can now launch it at any time. Okay, and then tap on new project, select the video you want to edit, and then you can open it in its own timeline, and then you can now start editing the video. So you can cut out some parts, you can add text, you can add audio, overlays, effects. I mean, CapCut is so broad in the number of things you can do. So there's a whole tutorial on how to edit using CapCut. You can check that out, but that's the only way you can edit clips and videos on your Galaxy Tab A11. Now, most features are going to be free, but if you want the paid version, that's going to give you access to some more features, some more advanced features for proper editing. Thanks for watching and good luck.